God, I'm scared. You have a big fist.
It works so much better if you actually use your right hand. Yeah. Wait. Let me do this.
When I hit you.
Dude. Wait.
I'm out of here. I hurt myself.
This is an awesome game.
Yeah, I heard that.
It's a male game.
It's an
You know what
awesome
else hear
game.
that crack? I learned to play hammer another way where you do it like this. Put your hand next to mine, or fold your hands next to mine.
Oh yeah, then you go.
And you go like that, right?
Tip clap.
Oh, blade.
No, I don't play knuckles. That's all the kids in my school. That's
Haters.
But there's like, you know, you do with fists.
Oh, shoot, not again. Oh, you're gonna get again. Okay.
No, not like that. What are you doing? Why
I'm not gonna do that.
What would motivate you to do that?
Wait. I gotta get this kid. I gotta get Oliver. Oliver!
Give me a second.
With being a pussy.
Give me a second. I will wear my pussy.
Oh, God.
Alright, something Sean wants to
Yes,
do.
there we go. Your hand went into my hand.
You notice this is only boys playing this. It's such a boy thing. Like I already said.
There we go. Oh, yeah, it's better.